Yeah, peeps. Some nutter down here. So let's say fucking Simpsons. What's that? Yeah, I'll try and get a bit closer. She's walking off, but sounded like something out of Simpsons. Oh, what's the fucking voice, man? Is it Marge? Yeah, it is Marge, isn't it? Sounds like fucking Marge out of fucking Simpsons. She keeps on stopping and shouting and like going mad. Now she's looking in bins. And the look in bins, you should see her in a minute. She'll stop and start shouting on the mad one. Here she goes. Oh, mate, couldn't make it up. Couldn't make it up, peeps. Brother nutter, mate. It's got a nice set of teeth. Nice got them done. Nah, but she's fucked off now. Bollocks. That's funny, man. Proper funny. Birds off her nut, mate. Proper off her nut. Shouting it out on the mad one. Here she goes, look.
You fucking charged her and left her a random ID because she had to go outside and Mama could have him right now.
Fucking dribbling out
I
of
just
the
ran an
map.
errand.
She's probably proper dribbling out of her mouth with her lips. Oh, funny, mate. Fucking off her nut, mate. We're off her nut. Crazy. Proper jokes, mate. Fucking mad. Crazy bitch. So yeah, peeps, anyway. Be safe, be lucky. Danny boys just Venice Beach having a laugh. Little skater bird. Bad little salt. The beach, sunset going down. It's nice, isn't it? It's nice, isn't it, peeps? Hey, the old sunset going down on Venice Beach. Got this nutter. Got this nutcase. Proper fruity loopy. Proper dribbling out of her mouth, like foaming out the mouth and that. Crazy. Proper foaming out of the mouth and that. Oh, fucking hell. Jokes, mate. Proper jokes.
I just ran an errand and you fucking, like, how do you think fucking those bitch? How dare you fucking adopt me?
Dribbling out.
You fucking bitch!
Mate, funny man. Proper jokes, mate. Proper dribbling, like proper dribbling out the mouth and all that. Proper funny, man. But yeah, listen, people. Anyway, be safe, be lucky. Stay tuned, and I'll keep you entertained when I'm in the place to be. She's off her nut, mate. Proper off her fucking nut. Screaming to herself, walking down the road, screaming and all that. But listen, anyway, people, stay tuned. Going over there now, crying. Crying to the nutters, crying to the nutcases. Sweet, anyway, yeah, be safe, be lucky. Taxis in a bit, yeah? Sweet.